Hello everyone. Back here. I think I'm gonna be starting a tutorial series, but basically, this is gonna be a Trainz a new era tutorial on how to put a horn on whichever locomotive you desire. So you're gonna firstly go over to Trainz new era. You're gonna download your horn in a CDP file and get it imported. So I'm using CSX SD4-34322. What you're gonna do next, once you got the download, you gotta make sure that everything's good, which it should be, because there's really nothing in there. You're gonna go over to Google. I have already copied it, but you're gonna copy your KUID tag, and you're gonna copy it. So then you're gonna go over to your model that you desire to edit, and you're gonna press on your keyboard Control and D, which makes a clone. You should get this message right here. This is fine. It doesn't mean it means everything went well. If you have any errors, that's where it gets bad. I don't think you're supposed to get any warnings, but I'm not completely sure. Then you're gonna go over and look up new asset, because that is what it's gonna be called. It's gonna be this one right here. I'm gonna go over to open, hover over that, and then open and show an explorer. Should open your files, and once it does that, you're gonna open the config.txt. You're gonna get your KUID and go over to the horn sound, so that would be this, and I'm just gonna come in right here and paste it, and then you're gonna go down all the way to the bottom where you should get a different model. I'm gonna find the one right here. I'm not sure, but it ends in 1012. They should be at the bottom. Uh, you know, I'm gonna pull something up, make sure everything's going okay. I'm gonna try number 2. And this doesn't really matter too much if you're on a new model, but once you get it copied down, I'm pretty sure it's just number 2. You're gonna close it out, click save, and you're gonna go back to Trainz. Oh, and you go to your new assets. You're gonna click on it, then you're gonna right click, then you go over to submit edits or Control Shift E. You're gonna click that, so it should make a new engine. And I forgot to add Oh, I didn't mean to do that. What the? Um, yeah, you're gonna go over the username now. I do forget what type of model this is, but usually it should be at the top. I just changed mine so I know which ones is like different, and I just changed it to whatever horn I put on, like equipped. Save that. We're already here. ST40, ST6. Now you're gonna tell just like that. Do this. I'll wait for the asset to finish. Modification. You should change the name again. Yep, there you go. You see that? Now you can close out this. Over to Trainz. Start it up. And that's it. Once it finishes loading, I'll do the before and after. Now, it's different. I think it's a JR model freeware. So I think the configuration was a bit different. But it should work like this with all models. Just a different way. We'll compare the new horn on the SD40 and the old horn. And yes, this does say the new model, so you can always have the old model if you would ever need. We're gonna come down here. Look up SX SD40. And look at that. We have the SD40-213. And we also got SD40-213K5LA equipped. Pretty sure this is the old one. Yeah, it's the old one. And we come over to our new one over here. And we get this beautiful one over here. I like this one. Basically, yeah, that's how you change a horn on a locomotive in Trainz. Thanks for pretty much any of the versions. I'm on a new era, but not sure. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Let me know if you guys like this type of stuff, and I might do some more of it in the future. But for now, that's gonna be it. Thank y'all for watching, and have a great day.